Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reacting to BTS on the subway with Jimmy Fallon. I haven't watched any of the BTS stuff on Fallon yet. I did do a reaction to their On performance, which I will leave in the description bar down below if you guys want to check it out. But before we get started, I just want to let you guys know that I filmed a concert makeup tutorial where I use my favorite products that I use all the time for concerts that's long-lasting, waterproof, and sweat-proof, and it's a really easy makeup tutorial that's super glowy and bronzy and pretty for the summertime. I'm going to insert the clip right here. So if you want to check out that video, I will leave the link to it in the description bar, and please go check it out. I worked really hard on it. You don't even have to watch this video, just watch the makeup video because I worked really hard on it and I really want you guys to check it out. And if you're new to my channel, like always, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up for me, and let's get started.
Welcome back to tonight's show.
I'm really excited.
BTS, the new album, Map of the Soul.
They look so happy.
They're going to do a giant performance at Grand Central later in the show. Right now, I want to
Is Tate floating with the camera? What is he doing? Hold up.
It's time for the subway.
Did you guys see what I'm seeing? He looks like he's floating with the camera. He needs to behave because I'm scared.
Round one.
I saw a little bit of these clips on Twitter, but I haven't watched it yet, so I'm excited.
Try to knock off the other player's duck without losing control of your own. Jimmy versus Jimin.
Jimin's so cute.
Go! Hey, my son.
Wait, did Jimin just say what? Did Jimin just call Jimmy his son?
Jungkook versus Shila.
He just dropped it. Yoongi. That was so easy.
J-Hope versus Jin.
How are you, Jin?
He just slapped it. He just slapped it. That's karma. He slapped Jin so hard. My poor baby. Hope's reaction to slapping Jin is worth this whole thing. Namjoon's gonna drop it. I already know my man. Jin is mad.
Round two. Dance your shades and gloves off. The first player to fling off their shades and gloves by furiously dancing wins the round. Jimmy versus
Jungkook is gonna win all of this. I just have a feeling. Oh, see, I told you. he wins everything. He's golden maknae for a reason.
Jin versus V.
I feel like Jin's gonna win this one. Jin just won in 2 seconds. Oh, I love them.
Jin wins. Final round.
Oh my god.
Challenge. Get as many
I don't know who's gonna win though. This is the one where I don't know who's gonna win.
Jin versus Jungkook.
Jin's yelling no face. Oh, he's so cute.
Who won? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Jimin's cheating.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Jimin's cheating and I love it.
I'm not touching that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
Babe's voice.
19, 20, 24. The winner!
Jungkook wins.
He only won because Jimin cheated.
Get some authentic New York deli. Come on back.
I love these boys so much. Give this video a thumbs up if you like BTS. I love them so much. And that is all. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It was just really cute and fun to watch. I love BTS. I miss them. And Jimin, you're a cheater. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. And always, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!